If you are 50 years old or older, you're going to want to listen up, pay close attention, and stop scrolling. My name's Marybeth. I am a digital marketer over here in the Buckeye State, and I have some great news to share with you today. I'm also an empty nester. It's just me and the hubby right now, and we have Fritz. He's our beloved GSD. He lives with us too. I'm just a little bit over 50 years old, and I have some good news to share with you. So you are going to want to follow, like this video, save it for later, and stay until the end. You do not need to go out there to places like Walmart and apply to be a greeter and risk your health, compromise your health. And you certainly don't need to worry about going to places like Uber or DoorDash, applying to become a driver, driving all over town, venturing into unknown places where you can risk your safety. You don't need to do this. So many people, 50 years old and older, are doing exactly what I did, discovering the wonderful world of digital marketing. And here's the 3 top reasons. Convenience at the top of the list. This can be done from anywhere in the world. You don't have to leave your home. You can work this from the comfort of your very own home. You can do this from your RV. You can do this from your condo on the beach or your villa, because all you need is a smartphone, laptop computer, either or, Wi-Fi connection, and one social media account, which just about everybody has that. You just need to dedicate a couple of hours a day to working your business with the willingness to invest in yourself one time only, and the willingness to invest in learning these high income skills. Number 2, automations. People 50 years old and older love this because you don't have to stress about talking to people. It's a rejection-free business model. You never have to hear the word no. You don't have to talk to anybody. Your automations will be out there working for you around the clock, like they do for me. They'll do for you 24/7. They'll do all the telling, selling, and explaining for you, so you don't have to, even all of your follow-up. And I saved the best for last. You'll get to keep 100% of the profits. So it's going to be very much worth your time. You're not going to have to settle for little dinky commissions of 25%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Every time you resell one of these high demand, done for you digital products, you have the potential to earn $300, $600, and $900. That's right, you heard me correctly, $900. You have the potential to earn up to and including $900. So how's that for a viable way to potentially boost your retirement without ever having to leave your home, having to talk to anybody, rejection-free, and you get to keep it all, folks. I'd love to share this amazing opportunity with you that has not only helped me to boost my retirement and has positioned me for an early retirement, it can do the exact same thing for you. Whether you aspire to retire early or you're already retired and you need a viable way to boost that retirement, this can help you, folks. Just put show me in the comments, because I'd absolutely love to share this with you today. Show me in the comments and I'll get the details right off to you right now.